Narlaw. Welcome to the laid back mat. And let's start with a comfortable seat. Make sure to take as many breaths as you need between mine and only do what feels good to you. Skip anything that doesn't agree with you right now. So let's inhale our hands up halfway and exhale the fingertip into our shoulders. You can just rest them there or slightly touch, and they don't need to touch either. Now let's inhale. I'm gonna bring my knee a little closer towards the ground, and I will open my elbows up. Inhale, chest out. Exhale, bring your elbows towards each other. They don't need to touch without forcing. And round your back. Bring your elbow towards your belly button. Look towards your elbow if it is comfortable on your neck. And inhale back, opening the chest, opening your elbows. And exhale, center. Bring them down. Exhale, fingertip down. And inhale. Big inhale up. And exhale, hands together towards the heart. Now, let's bring our feet, if it's comfortable for you, the sole of our feet to each other, towards each other. Knees don't have to touch the ground. A good thing, mine are not going there. And keeping the back straight. If you need to bring your heels forward, do so. Inhale, fingertip up. Exhale, round your back. Look at your belly button or towards it again. And inhale forward, fingertip goes forward, and exhale. Bring your nose towards your feet. Your nose does not have to touch your feet. Inhaling a little length and softening in your exhale if it feels nice to you. And pressing in the end, inhale back up. Neck is very relaxed. Baby circle, maybe not all the way back. And sit back any way that is comfortable for you. I'm going to sit on my heels just to switch it around a little bit. But what's important is that even if you're sitting in a chair or anything, as long as you're comfy, really, huh? What you think? Ask him. Is he gonna sit in a chair that doesn't feel good? Is he gonna do his yoga by forcing his leg? No. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, Yogito's got other things to do, right? There's plenty, there's so much with yoga you can do. So never force anything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Namaste. Yes, you did awesome. You always do really good.